Hi, everybody. I'm Helen Panza. I'm your instructor for Business 145, Business Communications, and we begin on August 19th, 2024. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. We're going to learn all things related to communicating in business. You're going to learn about communication messages, the types of messages. We're going to practice writing different styles and different types of messages to different levels of people. We're going to talk about writing and speaking in a professional sense. Our live sessions are extremely important in this course because we'll be practicing that verbal communication in a professional setting. So be sure to try to find time to join us in the live meetings. Our live meetings will take place on August 21st, will be our first one. September 4th, September 18th, and our final one will be on October 2nd. They'll be held at 6 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Those are Wednesdays, so mark your calendars, look at your course, and make sure you find time and plan your schedule so that you can attend these. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. You'll also learn while you're having fun. And I really want you to get your grit on, to have a growth mindset, and start class early. Get ahead of the game. I will see you for sure on the 21st, and I'll be watching for you in your course.